Here are 5 health benefits of consuming dates regularly. 1. Rich in nutrients, dates are packed with essential nutrients, including vitamins such as B vitamins and vitamin K, minerals like potassium, magnesium, and iron, and antioxidants. These nutrients support overall health, including bone strength and immune function. 2. High in fiber. Dates are an excellent source of dietary fiber, which promotes healthy digestion, prevents constipation, and supports gut health. The fiber helps regulate bowel movements and can also support a healthy microbiome. 3. Natural energy booster. Dates are high in natural sugars glucose, fructose, and sucrose, which provide a quick source of energy. This makes them an ideal snack for athletes or anyone needing an energy boost without resorting to processed sugar. 4. Promote heart health. Dates contain potassium and magnesium, which are essential for heart health. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure, while magnesium supports the function of the cardiovascular system, potentially reducing the risk of heart disease. 5. Rich in antioxidants. Dates are rich in antioxidants like flavonoids, carotenoids, and phenolic acid, which help protect the body from oxidative stress. These compounds can reduce inflammation, lower the risk of chronic diseases, and promote overall cellular health. Regular consumption of dates can provide these benefits while supporting balanced nutrition and a healthy lifestyle.